From Settings, Homepage, you can easily customize how your MackinVIA homepage looks and functions to reflect the needs and interests of your school community. Quick reminder, make sure the homepage feature is active in the Settings, General, Display Options pane. By default, your homepage includes several carousels that highlight content for your students. You can turn these default carousels off or on and choose how many resources are displayed in each carousel. You can also select the age group for your DOGOnews feed, giving students regularly updated, age-appropriate articles on current events, science, and social studies. If you make any changes, be sure to save. Next, add any categories. And groups you'd like to feature on your homepage. If you don't see the option to add a category carousel, go to Settings, Categories. Make sure the feature is enabled and save. Want to spotlight certain resources? Simply reorder your carousels to highlight what's most important and remove any you no longer want to feature. When you're finished customizing, click Save to apply your updates. With just a few quick clicks, you can design a dynamic, age-appropriate homepage that welcomes your students and helps them discover great content right away.